Hey, I'm Brian Van, SportbikeTrackHere.com, here with another kick-ass helmet graphic of the week. Inside of our Alpine Stars Super Tech helmet bag, we have what I feel is the best of the best for the all-new SuperTech R10 helmet graphics. This is the Element Silver Black Carbon Glossy helmet. This thing is absolutely epic. Love the silver in the chin bar transitioning into the glossy carbon. Alpine Stars logo. Love how they carried that over onto the spoiler. The top half done in the silver. The Alpine Stars logo. This carbon is just sexy. In black, wraps all the way around the top of the helmet. Little R10 there. Fitted with the race spoiler. Silver and then black glossy carbon here in the back. Retail on this helmet is $1199.95 as of the time we're shooting this video. It is going to come with the dark smoke shield that I installed for this video, a clear shield, which is inside this protective bag. It also has the street spoiler. Installed from the factory will be the race spoiler that we're showing you here, which I feel, to be fair, most people are simply going to leave installed on the helmet. You want to make the change and shorten that up a little bit. They include it. You're able to do that. It's in a protective bag. Pin lock insert included. Your first pack of race tear-offs also included. Premium SuperTech helmet bag also included. Get yours before they're gone.